After a fire, a man found a small, injured hedgehog. He poured some water on it, but it didn't help. So he brought it home and gently soaked it in a basin to clean its body. He gently dried it and made it comfortable. After eating the food the man had prepared, the little hedgehog fell asleep in his hands. Over time, the hedgehog felt more at home. It played on a running wheel the man had bought, sometimes picking up small balls with its spines or crawling into holly leaves for fun. In winter, it would warm itself under a heat lamp or quietly sit in the room, almost like it was reading. The clever hedgehog even learned to shake hands. One day, to his surprise, the hedgehog had adorable babies. The man prepared even more food for them, touched by how cute they were. One day, another hedgehog showed up with a bowl of food. That's when the man realized it was the baby's father. The home filled with joy as the hedgehog family reunited.